Okay, so we're gonna do a tutorial on how to make the stuffed animal nets. And I got a chain of 81. And this yarn is it's kind of like the Wool Ease, the Lion brand. It's bulky. And I'm using the 6mm. Now I'm left-handed, but what we're gonna do is triple crochet, which means you yarn over your hook twice, and we're gonna skip 3 chains and go into the 4th chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the 2, yarn over, pull through the 2, and then yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. And that gives you a triple crochet. And then you're gonna chain 1, to give you your space to make like the fishnet. So you're gonna wrap around your hook twice. You skip the 1 chain and go into the next one. Yarn over, pull through the 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops, yarn over, and then you pull through these 2 loops. That's your triple crochet. Chain 1, yarn over your hook twice, skip the 1 chain and go into your next. That gives you your gap, so it turns into a fishnet. Let's see if I can move this up a little. So we're going to continue this till we get down to the end. Yarn over your hook twice. Skip the 1st chain and go into the 2nd one here. Yarn over, pull through that 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and don't forget to chain the 1 to give you your space in between the triple crochets. Now I'm going to pause the video and get down to the end. I'm going to do this whole strand of 81 chains. So I'm just going to... Okay. So that's what it's going to look like. And I'm down here to the end. So now you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm left-handed, so this might be different. So we are going to skip this one and this one. We're going to skip these 2. These 2 here. And we're going to go into this 3rd one. That's going to make it the triangle shape. So we're decreasing the stitches to make a triangle shape. So you skip this one here, this triple crochet, and you skip this one, and you go into the 3rd one. Well, I guess we better wrap our hook twice. And you go into that 3rd triple crochet here. And it's just the same thing. Chain 1, yarn over the hook twice, skip that stitch there, that's your spacer, and go into the next. Now I'm going to pause it and go through the whole row till I get to the end. Okay, so far I got 2 rows here. And we're at the end now. So we're gonna chain 4, have to turn the work over, get it all situated. And we're gonna skip. We're gonna skip these 2 triple crochets, go into the 3rd one. Well, we better yarn over twice to actually do the triple, to do the triple crochet. So you chain the 1. Oh, I already chained the 1. Yarn over your hook twice. You skip the 1 stitch for your spacer. You go into the next one, right where that triple crochet is at. Pull through the 2, pull through the 2, pull through the 2, chain 1, yarn over twice. And then I'm going to pause it to get down to our 3rd row. Okay, so I just got down to the end of the 3rd row. And see how it's gonna start shaping into a triangle. So we're gonna go on ahead and chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrap the yarn around our hook twice. Skip the first 2 and go into number 3, lucky number 3. Yarn over, pull through the 1 loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over, Pull through the other 2 loops, yarn over, pull through those 2 loops. And that decrease in your stitches is going to give you the triangle shape. So that's all you do pretty much. And it's hard for me to show because I'm just using the camera on my computer. So this isn't the greatest. But just remember to chain that 1 for that space that you need between your triple crochets. And then you just yarn over your hook twice. Skip your space stitch because you need that space. And make sure you're going into one with your triple. That's the one you want to go into. You yarn over, pull through that first loop, yarn over, do the 2, yarn over, do the 2, yarn over, do the 2. Add your extra chain to give you your space. But I'm pretty much going to stop here and might come back tomorrow to finish it up. But it's going to give you going to start giving you that triangle shape. And this is just like a fishnet, which you could probably use for other things, but I thought this would be a great beginner's project. It's very easy as long as you remember to add your little chain for your spacer, and that your hook is going to go into the one with the triple crochet. See, I'm making it's probably a medium-sized animal net. I guess you could do other projects with this fishnet. I've seen people do sweaters with it, the holey sweaters. You could do all sorts of things. You could probably do a scarf like that. All right. I'm gonna stop it here then.